Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a battery replacement for Doxa Grafic Round Lady watch. Let's get started. To tackle this task, make sure you have these tools: a back case opener knife, a tweezer, a plier, pin pusher, a jewelry hammer and watch press tool. Use the pin pusher tool to push out the pin holding the wristband link in place. Once you have enough of the link pin out of the hole, grasp the end of the pin tightly with the needle nose pliers and pull it out. Insert the watch case opener under the lip, and twist the blade so that back unclips from the watch case. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, gently remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Before closing the case finally, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Fit the dies to the case press. The die that will fit the watch crystal should be placed on the bottom part of the jaws, and the die for the watch back should be placed on the top part of the jaws. Use a plastic bag to protect the watch crystal from getting scratched. Place it between the bottom die and the watch crystal before putting the watch case face down between the dies. Grip the watch press handle and slowly press down to apply pressure to close the watch back. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as it could damage the watch case or crystal. When you hear the back snap into place, release the lever and remove the pressure from the watch case. Line up the link on the clasp with the last link on one side of your wristband. Use a hammer to gently pound the pin into the hole until it is fully inserted.